Welcome. Watch how the futuristic Toyota bZ4X is built from scratch. It all starts with Toyota's dedicated ETNGA electric platform.
High-tensile steel frame welded with absolute robotic precision.
Attaching the aerodynamic side panels for a bold SUV stance.
Laser brazing the roof for a seamless, ultra-quiet cabin structure. Fitting the heavy-duty door shells for maximum side collision safety. Dipping the raw chassis for absolute rust and corrosion protection. Installing heavy-duty suspension for a smooth, premium electric ride.
The core power, a low-center battery pack for ultimate stability. Mounting the advanced compact e-axle motor for instant response. Applying the premium, ultra-reflective elemental silver metallic paint coat now. Baking the elemental silver metallic coat for a scratch-resistant finish. Connecting the complex high-voltage wiring for flawless power distribution. Installing the acoustic front glass onto this elemental silver beauty.
Fitting the futuristic cockpit inside the elemental silver metallic bZ4X.
Dropping in the eco-friendly Softex seats for ultimate cabin comfort. Bolting on the bold 20-inch alloy wheels to finish assembly. Sealing the underbody to protect the battery from any impact.
Installing the sharp LED headlights on our elemental silver bZ4X.
Snapping the aggressive front bumper to complete the fascia design. Looks perfect. Integrating Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 radar for advanced autonomous safety. First dyno test run. Calibrating the electric dual motor torque response. Here it is, the fully finished, ultra-futuristic Toyota bZ4X EV.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for our next epic automotive journey. Thanks for watching.